For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a shocking revelation, rapper Badshah reportedly admitted that he had bought around 7.2 crore views for 72 lakh rupees for one of his songs, Pagal Hai. The rapper confessed to Mumbai Police Crime Branch that in a bid to set a world record, he had paid a whopping amount for his song. This development came after the rapper was questioned by the Mumbai Police's crime branch in connection with the racket that sells fake social media followers.
The singer confessed that he wanted to set a world record for most number of viewers in 24 hours on YouTube. That is why he paid Rs 72 lakhs to this company. Apart from Pagal Hai, we are also scrutinizing his other songs posted on social media.
The crime branch officials further stated that they had accumulated a list of more than 250 questions for Badshah.
We had a list of more than 250 questions for Badshah, whose real name is Aditya Singh. The singer admitted that he had paid a company Rs 72 lakh, including 18% service tax, to generate views on social media.
Badshah had earlier claimed that his song Pagal Hai received 75 million views on YouTube within 24 hours of its release. However, the claim was rejected by Alphabet, which owns YouTube as well as Google. The crime branch unit started probing the case after Bollywood singer Bhumi Trivedi found that somebody had created her fake profile on social media. The singer immediately brought it to the notice of the cops. Incidentally, during the probe, the police unearthed a racket which creates fake social media profiles and sells fake followers and likes to celebrities and influencers. The CIU team led by API Sachin Vaze started to investigate the racket and has recorded statements of more than 20 people so far. The cops have also zeroed in on Abhishek Davade by tracking his online activity. They have arrested the accused from Kurla and questioning him. As per the cops, accused was working for the website that was a part of a larger international racket involving crores of fake profiles and followers. However, the rapper has denied the allegations against him and stated that he had aided the police officials in the probe.
Following the summons, I have spoken to the Mumbai Police. I have aided the officials in their investigation by cooperating and carrying out the due diligence on my part. I have categorically denied all the allegations leveled against me and made it clear that I was never involved in such practices, nor do I condone them. I have complete faith in law and investigators.
The Bollywood rapper, whose original name is Aditya Prateek Sisodia, was questioned for around 10 hours by the police. He is again summoned by the police on August 10th regarding the case. Earlier, Mumbai Joint Commissioner of Police Vinay Kumar Chaubey had said that around 54 firms were involved in the mega racket.
We have investigated and found as many as 54 firms involved in this racket. SIT comprising crime branch along with cyber cell has been formed, which will help in investigating this case.
The police are investigating around 100 social media marketing firms and 54 portals all over India. These firms offer services of generating fake profiles and likes.